you fat. Yo, balance it up. Give me that.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, I have this hairstyle for you guys. I had my hair straight last week. I blew it out because I wanted a little variation. I went over it with my flat iron, just lightly, not like a bone straight type situation. But my hair started to poof up lately, you know, the last 2 days. So I figured this hairstyle would come in handy. It's a flat twist out on straightened, blown out hair, stretched hair, some type of deal like that. Maybe if you are in a similar hair situation, this would come in handy. And yes, I'm rambling, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Bye guys! So my hair was previously in a bun. I'm gonna take the bun down and I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb to part down my first section. The rest of my hair, I'm just tying it into a ponytail so that it's out of the way. Then I'm going in with my moisturizer, and for moisturizer, I'm using my Three Sisters of Nature Stretch It Out Cream. I'm applying a dime size to my hair, to the section actually, and just rubbing it in with my finger, going in with my Denman brush and spreading out that product. And for sealing, I'm using my Manoi oil by ORS. I'm just applying a little bit of this onto the section as well, and just making sure that I seal the moisturizer. Then I start to twist my hair. It's basically over and under, you guys, over and under, and just repeat that same step until you reach the bottom part of your hair, and from there it's just a normal simple twist. For the end of my hair, I'm gonna use a foam roller to just roll the end of my hair up. This just makes sure that the hair has a curly end when I take it down. And from there, it's just basically repeat the same steps, going in with the moisturizer, seal it with an oil, and start twisting, basically over and under, over and under. Add more hair with your finger, like over and under, over and under. You know the drill, and just twist. Add more product if you have to. Brush it out with your Denman brush and just repeat that step. Like, keep twisting, girl. Keep twisting. Now when you reach the end, just add your foam roller and just repeat those same steps. I'm gonna show you guys just one more time. Just comb it out. Apply your moisturizer, brush it out with a lemon brush, go in with your oil, and then twist by going over and under, adding more hair, like over and under, adding more hair, over and under, adding more hair. Very, very simple and easy. And then twist when you reach the bottom part of your hair. Make sure the hair is detangled. Add more product if you have to. Going in with that foam roller, and then you have your hair completely twisted. I just wrap it down with a hair scarf. This is not even a satin hair scarf, but that's just how I like it. And then for the next day, it's just take down time. I just start off by taking down the hair scarf. Then I'm going to start taking down the foam rollers first. Then I'm using a little bit of oil to coat my hands with the oil, so to combat the frizz and all that. And I'm just untwisting the hair by twisting it the opposite way and just taking down the twists. And even though I'm going like pretty fast in this clip because I sped up this clip, take your time with this because you don't want to cause extra frizz, So just take your time with this and take down all them twists. Then it's time to pick and fluff the hair and just making some more volume into the hair. I'm using a wide tooth comb for this and just picking and fluffing up the roots. And then it's time for the edges because your hair ain't finished without the edges done. And for that I'm using my ORS Coconut Manoi Oil Edge Control. Whatever, that's a lot. But anyways, I'm just using a toothbrush for this and just slicking down my edges and just, you know, the usual. I'm just slicking them down and making sure they look a little decent, you know what I'm saying? And once the edges are completely finished, then this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love how this turned out. If you liked it too, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love ya! Mwah!